Ayan, OA na kung OA mga kapatid. Okay mga kapatid, so I just got home from my school and the GED testing office already sent me a result, but I did not look at it because I'm afraid. I am really afraid. You know, I don't I swear it's give me headache right now because I'm scared that I fail again, and I really hope. So now I will open my laptop and me and my husband were going to check the result together. Okay, honey, I'm home. Come here. I did not check the result because it's give me headache and I'm afraid that I fail again. So come hither and we will check the result together. I will open my laptop.
We open the champagne. Wow, awesome, sweetheart.
Oh, it's official. You're now a GED grad. You're still in charge of...
Yeah, find out when you get your diploma.
Guys, I did it!
You did it!
Yeah, I passed. I am now officially high school.
Awesome.
Awesome! I did it. I did it, guys. I wanna cry. So, sino ba naman ang hindi ma-cry, diba? Diba? Kasi, natatakot na po talaga ako sa totoo lang kasi last time na yung third time ko po na nag-attempt nga na-fail ako. Nagdugo ako. Grabe na ako na-stress. Na-stress ako kasi iniisip ko ang social study ay madali lang at ang science at math yun talaga ang killer, diba? Pero bakit naipasa ko sila miracle? Tapos ito hindi ko maipasa-pasa. Iniisip ko nga, wag naman sana ako matanggong sa social study. Mga kapatid, promise. You just don't know what is. Kung ano pa ako kasaya. Ayan, OA na kung OA mga kapatid. Pero isipin nyo naman kung ikaw ba naman 51 years old. Third grade lang. Tapos ngayon high school ka na. Nakagraduate ka ng high school. Diba ang saya with tears. Ang saya-saya. Kasi sabi nga ng asawa ko, don't worry sweetheart, just keep on taking it. Patuloy lang daw, sabi ko. Hala, hanggang sa madeda ko. Talaga, ngayon super saya ako mga kapatid. Super saya ako.
Thing I really, of course, I had doubts, and I'm sure you did too, but man, it's awesome.
Oh my gosh, it's so different feeling. So, guys, my husband said that if I will pass my GED, he will keep his promise. I will be having a BMW.
Oh.
Why you stand up?